Want salon quality waxing at home? Today on MTH Health, we'll show you how to make your own professional painless beans hot wax that's perfect for a smooth, hair-free finish, right from the comfort of your home. Stick around to see how we do a full waxing session too. Make your hard wax at home. You'll need beeswax or paraffin wax, which will act as our base, coconut oil or any skin-friendly oil for smooth application, a few drops of your favorite essential oils for that calming scent, and optional coloring to make your wax beans look just like the pros. Now let's melt the wax. Heat the beeswax or paraffin wax in a double boiler on low heat. Stir slowly until it turns into a smooth, creamy consistency. Be patient. Slow melting ensures a flawless texture. Once the wax is fully melted, it's time to add coconut oil. This helps keep the wax flexible and easy to peel off without breaking. You'll also add a few drops of essential oil for fragrance and skin-soothing benefits. If you want your wax to look professional, now's the time to add color. Stir everything well, then remove it from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Pour the wax mixture onto a silicone sheet or into a mold to create small wax beans. Let it cool and harden completely. Once firm, break them into small bean-like pieces. Now that we've made our wax beans, it's time for action. Simply melt a handful of the beans in a warmer or microwave. Apply the wax evenly to clean, dry skin in the direction of hair growth. Let it cool for a few seconds, then peel it off in the opposite direction. Look at that, smooth, silky skin without the pain. To show you just how effective this is, we did a full waxing session. Watch how easy and painless it is to get professional results at home. No redness, no irritation, just perfectly smooth skin. There you have it. DIY professional painless wax beans right at home. With just a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy salon quality waxing whenever you want. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and beauty tips from MTH Health. Try this at home and let us know how it went in the comments. See you next time on MTH Health.